today, when I came back from school, I walked in. It's Wednesday today, or Tuesday, and in fact, it's there. My first DAS, required weekly test. Unfortunately, this was missed, so there's no also way to play this back. It was at 12:29. Normally, it's only at 11 o'clock, but it's just 12:29 this time. So, and also, my video, I had a video for the Midland WR100 I got. Unfortunately, I did not get a chance to show it to you. Who shut the blinds? Hold up, I'm gonna fix the blinds. School started, and that means I'm busy. Then I can't watch my EAS logs. Also, I stored some multiple counting codes in here using the FIPS codes. Okay. And the time is 4:59. That's accurate. 4:58 is the stuff I won. So real quick, this is the scroll. Required weekly test on August 28th, 2019. August 28th, 2019, Wednesday, which was today, and at 12:29. That was awesome. Oh, it's 5. So, that was just a small viewers update for you guys.